Ah,
So we were waiting for the piece to put in the back there.
Yes.
If you just, right down there, so
Yep.
it didn't come, so this one didn't go into the auction, which I'm glad. I'm just gonna do, this one I'm doing is a rat rod. We'll finish welding it up and
a rat rod. I never heard tell of a 60.
well, just imagine, no windows, no glass, just a 327 and a 5-speed and drive it.
No
Right?
window?
It has one window.
Yeah, windshield,
Side.
yeah, but just roadster.
yeah.
Just a roadster, that's it, man. You only drive it on sunny days. Then, for another 10, 12 grand, I could be driving it. Motor, tranny, rear end, brakes, right?
It's got like a deluxe. What kind of suspension you got going on the back?
That's
of the
just,
boy?
we just bought some new springs for it.
So it's just one spring. That
Well, yep, that's what they had. I mean, most guys, when they upgrade, if they put some power, you get a double or triple leaf, right?
Okay.
But all of them were just singles, those and the Firebirds. But this was the first year, had the deluxe console with the gauge package, and it was a cool car, right?
you can buy the dash.
Yep.
I suppose you can buy this whole car.
Yeah, piece by piece, yeah. Or you can actually buy one for about 20,000 just rust-free, which is probably cheaper, but some guys like to fix them, right?
Well, yeah, it's the part where you can spend some time with it.
Yeah.
Right.
But I
And
mean,
generally, when you buy a car, you want to change it anyways.
yeah, well, that's why I like buying, that's why I don't like buying cars that are done.
Yeah.
Because then you don't know what the guy's done, but I mean,
Well, then you get to put your spin
Yeah,
on it, whatever color
yeah,
you want it to be,
that's right.
whatever you want to do.
well, this one, I mean, like I said, we just welded the skins on, did half a trunk.
I've did many of these. That's
Yep.
somebody did a beautiful job on that.
Blair likes doing them right here.
Yeah, why not? You
Right.
can get it ground off nice.
Yep.
Basically, instead of going there, I've been there before.
Yeah. Well, every body man I know has a different method. Some
Yeah.
guys swear down here, some guys want to put it up here.
I've never heard anybody that had their actual ticket say anything else other than cut it on the body line and weld
Yeah.
it there.
Yeah.
Except
I have
one
lots.
friend that's a plumber electrician that thinks
Yeah, I like it there.
things down is a good idea.
What are you trying to say, Cass?
I like, well, I mean,
Nice plumber.
here, if you do it below, you're keeping your original body line and not dicking with it.
Well,
The body line's
to
easy to get straight.
be
Yeah.
honest with you, you're going to fill it anyway.
That's right, that's right.
That's like when I put a Model 8 door skin on, I like to go to the molding, right to the
Yeah.
bottom of the molding, because I
Yeah.
know I'm going to fill the molding out anyway.
Yeah.
And when I grind it off, at least it looks better than having coming down that far from the molding
Yeah.
to be able to see it.
Yeah.
So I just kind of go to it and then I just fill it anyways.
Well, people don't understand if you're going to do paint, you're mudding everything anyway. Some guys say you just mud the lows. No, you mud it all, and then
Yeah.
otherwise you just mud. You may as well do it once or twice. I mean, Blair usually, when Blair's doing a panel a day.
Yeah.
That's his thing. Like, so if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 days, then this thing should be in primer, right? Mud work done.
First part, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, first primer. Especially when you're starting with a
Then
bunch of
another 8
metal.
hours to prep the primer.
Yeah.
And generally ready for paint.
But I mean, but those original fenders, original doors.
Okay. The quarter panels or skins, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, this is another one. Like, I mean, you spend $5 grand, you can get a front clip with disc brakes, rack and
Yes.
pinion, whatever you want. I mean,
Are you planning on having a body man back in here